In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chapters to your video. If you want to make your videos easier to navigate, chapters are a simple feature that can make a big difference for your viewers. They let people jump directly to the part they want to watch, which is especially helpful in tutorials, reviews, walkthroughs, or any video that covers multiple sections. It also makes your content feel more organized and more professional. To get started, open the video you want to edit. Make sure you're working with the correct upload, since the chapter information will be added specifically to that video. Once you're in the video details or editing area, look for the description section because that's where chapters are usually created. Now add timestamps followed by a title for each section of the video. For example, you might write something like 0.2 intro and then continue with the rest of your sections based on where each topic begins. The timestamps need to match the actual timing in your video, so it's a good idea to quickly review your content first if you're not completely sure where each section starts. Keeping the titles short and clear will help viewers immediately understand what they'll find in each part. As you write the chapters, try to use wording that's direct and easy to scan. For example, instead of using a long sentence, keep it simple with labels like setup, demo, final tips, or summary. That makes the chapter list cleaner and more useful. Also, make sure the timestamps are in the correct order, starting from the beginning of the video and moving forward naturally. Once your timestamps and titles are in place, save your changes. After that, the platform can recognize those timestamps as chapters, allowing viewers to jump straight to different sections of the video. This improves the viewing experience and can help people stay engaged longer, because they can easily find the information they care about without scrubbing through the entire timeline. That's all it takes. Open your video, add the time and title for each section, then save. With just a small update, your video becomes much more user-friendly, easier to explore, and more helpful for your audience.